Hello everybody, welcome back to Lyric's Kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious buffalo chicken pizza. So let's get started. So first you're going to be starting out with some chicken cut up. You're going to cook that in a non-stick pan. And here you'll just watch me do that for a little bit. I'm just going in with some seasonings. You don't necessarily have to season the chicken, but I just decided to this time. And I have all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. This is also a recipe that's included in my debut cookbook, All Things Work Together. So make sure you go and get that off Amazon. I'll be doing another video talking about my book, so stay tuned for that. So you just want to make sure that the chicken is evenly distributed all over the pan so everything can cook evenly. So now you can see the chicken is about done. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Alright, so now the chicken is done now. So we're going to go and add the buffalo sauce. And I'll put that measurement down in the description box. So make sure you toss the buffalo sauce all on the chicken. Make sure it's fully coated. That chicken looks so good. The chicken tossing that sauce. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so now that the buffalo sauce is all over the chicken, everything is fully coated, looking nice. So now we're gonna layer it up on the pan. So you see the bread that the pizza crust I'm using. You can either use 2 pieces of naan bread, or you can just use 1 pizza crust like I'm doing here. Either one is fine. And so now I'm just putting melted butter all over the crust and all over the bread. I want to make sure that it's a nice color, and that once the pizza is done, it'll taste good too. So that's why I'm putting butter all over the pizza. So once you finish putting butter all over the pizza, you're going to be mixing ranch and buffalo sauce. I will be putting the measurements down in the description box because I didn't show that part. But that is going to be your base for the sauce. It's going to be buffalo sauce mixed with ranch. And I'll be doing that next. So you see here, I'm putting my base sauce down. So I'm doing about 3 tablespoons. And you see that's fully coated. You see it's kind of mixing with the butter. That's okay. Make sure the sauce is fully coated on your crust or on your naan bread, whichever one you prefer to use. And now we're going to go in with our cheese. We're going to be using cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. We're going to be using both. And I will have the measurements for everything in the description box below. I just love homemade pizza. Like, it is just so good. And it's really so easy to make. Instead of just, going ahead and going to Pizza Hut or wherever. I love Enzo's Pizza. If you're someone in Enzo's Pizza, you definitely should try the buffalo chicken pizza. That's why I was making this recipe inspired by them. I love that pizza so much. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But you should definitely try Enzo's Pizza. They have the best buffalo chicken pizza. Somebody put me onto it, and it's delicious. So now you're going to put all your chicken on top. And I'm just going back in and putting some more sauce. Just a little bit. Look at that. It looks so good even before putting it in the oven. So now we're going to put it in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes. And look at the end result. Oh my gosh. So cheesy, nice, and bubbly. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.